How to pick the right size container for your plants. Whether you grow flowers, herbs, vegetables, or fruits in your container garden, picking the right pot is crucial to success. Pots must have the depth and width to accommodate roots, the ability to move if needed, and look attractive. Here are 5 tips for success. 1. Determine the mature size of the plants you want to grow, and choose a large container to accommodate their root systems. 2. Consider the number of plants you want to grow, and choose a container that can accommodate them comfortably. 3. Consider the weight of the container when full of soil and plants. Ensure the pot is stable and secure, especially if you are planting in a windy area. 4. Choose a container with suitable drainage holes to ensure proper drainage and prevent waterlogged roots. 5. Consider the style and color of the pot, as it should complement the plants and the surrounding environment. Think creatively to save money on your containers. Some people hesitate to start container gardening because of the cost of pots at the hardware store or nursery. Others live in urban areas with little access to these retailers. Fortunately, that does not mean you can't start a wonderful garden. Think outside the box. There are many creative and cost-effective options for repurposing or recycling containers as planters for container gardens. Here are 5 vessels suitable for container gardens. Buckets and tubs. Large buckets, such as mop buckets or cleaning caddies, are suitable containers for larger plants with deep roots. Tubs like you might use for ice or drinks are also adorable. Glass bottles and jars. Glass bottles and jars can be helpful in growing small herbs, succulents, or other small plants. They can create a unique and attractive display. Coffee cans and tea tins. Used coffee cans and tea tins can be cleaned and used as small containers for growing herbs or other small plants. You might also paint or decorate the tins if you desire a more colorful display. Tires. Stack discarded tires and fill them with soil to create taller, wind-resistant individual containers for larger plants. Or, install it like at a tire swing for a rustic flower display. They are well suited for plants that require stakes or a trellis. Leave tires for decorative flowers, not food gardening. Repurposed furniture. Think about discarded pieces of furniture, such as dressers, desks, or bookshelves. Can be transformed into planters. For instance, you might turn a bookcase on its back or remove desk or dresser drawers for instant planters. When using repurposed or recycled containers, it is vital to ensure they are clean, dry, and free of any harmful chemicals that may leach into the soil and harm the plants. Additionally, it is crucial to consider the weight of the container after you fill it with soil and plants and ensure it is stable and secure. Choosing the proper plant pot is fundamental to successful container gardening. But you don't need to spend too much money. Look around you and find creative ways to repurpose appropriate vessels you might have on hand already. Thank you for watching part 2 of the Garden Revelations Container Gardening series. Please like and subscribe so you'll receive an alert for the next video in this series.